Hallo liebe Zuschauer von Sprich mal Deutsch. Hallo dear viewers of Sprich mal Deutsch. Heute lernen wir Konjugation der unregelmäßigen Verben. Today we will be learning the conjugation of irregular verbs in German. So when I made one of the videos based on regular verbs, I got a couple of queries from the viewers asking me to clarify the difference between regelmäßige und unregelmäßige Verben. So I want you to have a glance at these tables before we move to our today's topic. So if you check the first table, you'll notice that there is a similar pattern followed when the verb, that is in the infinitive form, gets changed to the preteritum, that is the past tense form, and the participle zwei, that is the past participle form. Whereas in the another table, you can notice no such pattern which is followed when the verb is getting changed to its preteritum and participle zwei form. So this is where you can exactly figure out the difference between regelmäßige und unregelmäßige Verben. The one which follows a particular pattern are called as regelmäßige Verben, whereas the verbs which do not follow a particular pattern are called as unregelmäßige Verben. So now let us not go into the details about preteritum and participle zwei, whereas let us concentrate on irregular verbs, that is unregelmäßige Verben in present tense. The present tense of most unregelmäßige Verben is formed with the same endings that are used for regelmäßige Verben. So let us see this example. The verb is singen, thus bedeutet to sing. Let us see how to conjugate this verb. Ich singe, du singst, sie es singt, wir singen, ihr singt, sie singen. So I can say singt ein Lied, that is, he sings a song. However, the unregelmäßige Verben, if they are having vowels in their root form, then they are conjugated in different way. So the vowels in the root form of the unregelmäßige Verben get changed while getting conjugated for du and RCS in nearly all the cases. This change in vowels is called as Vokalwechsel in German language. Die Vokale bedeutet vowels and das Wort Wechsel bedeutet change. So Vokalwechsel means change in vowels. So here you can see how the vowels get changed. The short A gets changed to E. For example, in the verb helfen. Whereas the long A gets changed to EA, as in the verb lesen. A gets changed to A mit Umlaut or E. For example, in the verb fahren, the vowels A, U gets changed to A mit Umlaut und U, that is oi. For example, in the verb laufen, the vowel O gets changed to Ö, that is O mit Umlaut. For example, in the verb stoßen, and the vowel E gets changed to AE, that is I, as in the verb wissen. So let us see the conjugation of these verbs. Ich helfe, du hilfst, sie es hilft, wir helfen, ihr helft, sie helfen. So remember that the vowels get changed, that is the Vokalwechsel takes place only while conjugating the verbs for du and RCS. So here we have a sentence using the verb helfen. Sie hilft mir. She helps me. Let us check the verb lesen. So here you can see that the verb lesen has long A. Ich lese, du liest, RCS liest, wir lesen, ihr lest, sie lesen. Let us see a sentence using lesen. Wir lesen die Zeitung. We read the newspaper. Er liest die Zeitung. He reads the newspaper. Our next verb is fahren. Ich fahre, du fährst, RCS fährt, wir fahren, ihr fahrt, sie fahren. Here is a sentence using fahren. Ihr fahrt nach Indien. You all are traveling to India. Sie fährt nach Deutschland. She is traveling to Germany. The next verb has two vowels together, A und U. So the A will change to A mit umlaut, that is A, which will get changed to Oi. Ich laufe, du läufst, RCS läuft, wir laufen, ihr lauft, sie laufen. Let us see a sentence using the verb laufen. Ich laufe schnell nach Hause. I am running quickly home. Let us see how to conjugate the irregular verb having vowel O, just as in the verb stoßen. Ich stoße, du stößt, RCS stößt, wir stoßen, ihr stoßt, sie stoßen. Here we have a sentence using the verb stoßen. Du stößt mich. You are pushing me. And then finally we have the irregular verbs with the vowel E. Let us see how to conjugate the verb wissen. So this is the special verb where the vowel E gets changed to AE when conjugated for ich, du and RCS. Ich weiß, du weißt, RCS weißt, wir wissen, ihr wisst, sie wissen. Here is a sentence using the verb wissen. Ich weiß nichts. I know nothing. So that was all for the day. I know it was a very long video, but I would like to tell you that please go through this video once again and make it clear how to conjugate the irregular verbs, that is unregelmäßige Verben, in present tense. Also, before leaving, I would like to tell you one more thing, that is I'm putting a link in the description box for the books Netzwerk A1. These books will help you guys in solving the exercises based on the lessons that we are doing. Please click on this link and get books for yourselves. So I'll meet you guys in the next video. Cheers!